Food is an essential part of culture, and it can tell us a lot about the people and places we visit. In this video, we will explore 10 surprising facts about food from around the world that will shock you. From fermented shark meat in Iceland to live octopus in South Korea, you won't believe some of the unique and sometimes strange dishes that are considered delicacies in different parts of the world. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Brace yourselves for fruit that's as notorious as it is alluring. Durian, hailed as the king of fruits in Southeast Asia, has an aroma so powerful it has been banned from many public places. Some dare to compare its smell to that of rotten flesh. Love it or hate it, this fruit is not for the faint of heart. Prepare to embark on a culinary journey to the rugged highlands of Scotland, where a dish steeped in tradition reigns supreme. Behold haggis, the national treasure. Crafted from a medley of sheep organs, the heart, liver and lungs, mingled with savory onion, wholesale oatmeal, and a symphony of spices, this delicacy is encased within the very stomach that once nurtured its ingredients. Every bite is a heartfelt tribute to Scottish heritage. Venture into the mystical lands of Iceland, where a daring culinary expedition awaits. Brace your taste buds for hákarl, the true taste of culinary courage. This traditional dish emerges from a mysterious process involving bearing shark meat for months until it reaches an unconventional state of rotten perfection. It may sound bizarre, but in Iceland, hákarl is a revered taste experience that defies all expectations. Prepare to indulge in a culinary thrill that teaches on the edge of danger. In the heart of Japan, an esteemed delicacy awaits, Fugu, the enigmatic pufferfish. Beware, for within its delicate form resides a toxin that can bring paralysis and even death if mishandled. Only the most skilled chefs possess the knowledge and expertise to navigate the treacherous path of preparation, transforming this perilous fish into a sumptuous, life-affirming delight. Set foot in the vibrant land of Ethiopia, where a unique dining tradition invites you to savor the taste of community. Enter the world of Injera, a sourdough flatbread that goes far beyond mere sustenance. Made from the ancient grains of teff, this tangy masterpiece doubles as an edible utensil, ready to scoop up a symphony of stews and vibrant flavors. Injera is not just a bread, it's a cultural feast that connects hearts and palates. Uncover the secrets of luxury as we journey into the captivating realm of saffron. Hidden within the delicate petals of the crocus flower lies the world's most precious spice. Prepare to be dazzled by its golden hue and be enchanted by its unmatched aroma. A single pound of saffron demands the delicate touch of 75,000 flowers, a testament to its unparalleled rarity. Get ready to embrace a world where opulence meets botanical wonder. Embark on a culinary adventure to the vibrant streets of South Korea, where the bold and daring reign supreme. Behold the live octopus, a dish that embodies the essence of fearless gastronomy. Witness the spectacle as this courageous creature arrives at your table, still wriggling with a life of its own. Diners are encouraged to seize the moment, embracing the challenge to bite into the tender tentacles, experiencing the unforgettable dance of flavors. Delve into the rich tapestry of India, a land where culinary traditions intertwine with deep-seated beliefs. Enter the realm where the cow is hailed as a sacred being, cherished by many Hindus. For them, beef is off the table. Yet in certain corners of this vast nation, a contradiction emerges as beef transforms into a delicacy savored by those who do not follow the Hindu faith. Prepare to witness the fascinating duality that exists within India's culinary landscape. Lose yourself in the sun-soaked lands of Spain, where vibrant flavors dance upon a bed of rice. Behold the national treasure that is paella, a dish that captures the essence of Spanish cuisine. Saffron-infused rice forms a canvas upon which a chorus of succulent chicken, rabbit, and an array of meats or seafood perform a tantalizing symphony. With each spoonful, immerse yourself in the rich heritage and diverse flavors that define this iconic Spanish masterpiece. Brace your taste buds for a journey to the heart of Brazil, a land where passion and flavor collide. Get ready to savor the rhythm of feijoada, a beloved dish that embodies the soul of the nation. From the depths of Sumerian black bean emerges a celebration of tender pork dancing in harmony with rice, toasty farofa, and vibrant orange slices. This mouth-watering ensemble is a testament to Brazil's love of hearty cuisine, enjoyed with gusto every Sunday. Until next time, keep embracing the world's culinary wonders, one bite at a time. Bon appetit! Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content that will tantalize your senses and broaden your horizons.